Getters and setters are simple method structures that allow code to interact with the variable inside an instance. A getter simply returns the value of a certain variable, and a setter changes the value of a variable. Why do we need to do these through methods though? Can't we just access those variables directly? Many times it's best to design our code such that the variables inside cannot be modified directly. For example, imagine again that we're writing a class to represent a bank account. Imagine this class is going to be accessed by different banks and different customers. We don't want them all to just be able to change the value of the balance at will. They should only be able to change it in certain ways, like processing a transaction. Methods like getters and setters let us dictate the rules under which class variables can be accessed and changed. Even if we're writing a class where we don't mind if the variables are accessed and changed haphazardly, we still might want to know about those changes. Because getters and setters are methods, we can build whatever code into them that we want. Imagine that we want to build a log of every time someone accessed or changed a certain piece of data. By using getters and setters, we allow ourselves to run some logging code every time those methods are run. If other code was accessing the variables directly, we wouldn't be able to log when the data was accessed. Some languages go so far as to dictate the use of getters and setters. Some languages have a concept of privacy in the variables and methods that they encapsulate. They can determine whether a variable or a method is public, where it can be accessed from outside the instance, or private, where it can be only accessed by methods within the class. So in our bank account example, we might state that myBalance is a private variable, meaning that it can only be accessed by methods inside the class. GetAccountBalance, on the other hand, would be a public method that returns the value of myBalance. In that way, myBalance is still accessible, but it can't be modified, and bank account can log every time it's accessed.